Hello friends, I am Deviki of Nature from Women Development International. Today I am going to explain about rivers and river systems. Let us see which rivers and which rivers systems we are going to discuss. Let us see which rivers and which river systems we are going to discuss. The first one is Ganga, second one is Satluj, third one is Damodar, fourth one is Krishna. Next Narmada, after Tapi, later Mahanadi, and the last one is Brahmaputra. Let us see about Ganga. Ganga river system. It is also called as Ganges. Ganga is the ancient name given by our ancient people. It is worshipped by our ancient people. The Ganga river is originated from Himalayas. The source of this Ganga river is Gangotri Glacier. This river contains many tributaries like Alakananda, Bhagirathi, Alkananda, Bhagirathi, Yamuna, Gagra, Gadag, Gandak, Kosi, etc. These are the major northern tributaries. The major northern tributaries are Alakananda, Bhagirathi, Yamuna, Gagra, Gandak, Kosi. And the largest tributary of Ganga is Gagra. It is located just like this. This is Gagra. Gagra. The largest tributary of Ganga. And the southern tributaries, coming to southern tributaries of Ganga, it contains Chambal, Betwa, Sun, etc. This is Betwa, etc. And the Ganga river is known as the largest perennial river in India, and it contains largest river basins. Let us see next river. Satluj. The Satluj is the longest tributary of the Indus River. The Indus River is like this, and the Satluj is the longest tributary of the Indus River, and it is also known as Sadri. This Satluj River passes through three countries: China, India, Pakistan. In ancient period, the Satluj is called as Sadri. On this Satluj, river Bakra Dam is built. This Bakra Dam is the biggest river in Punjab. Biggest dam in Punjab. And this Satluj river originates from the Himalayas in the southwest of Tibet. The tributaries of the Satluj river is Baspa river, Spiti river, and etc. Coming to Damodar. Damodar river is the northeastern river. This rises with its many tributaries in Chota Nagpur plateau in Bihar. It follows its eastward direction through West Bengal to join the Hooghly rivers, which are present in southwest Kolkata. The Damodar Valley is present at Bihar, West Bengal places. The source of this Damodar the source of this Damodar river is Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is present at this location. And the Damodar river consists of a distributary of river Ganga, which is called Hooghly. It is almost man-made. The Damodar Dam is in Jharkhand, Panchak district. In 1948, constructed four multi-purpose dams to form a reservoirs of Tilaya, Konar, Panch Hills, Tilaya are some of the tributaries of this Damodar river. Krishna. Krishna is the sixth longest river and it is the river of south central India. This river rises in western Ghats at Mahabaleshwaram and flows towards east. Krishna starts as Mahabaleshwaram and ends at Bay of Bengal. And this Krishna has highly fertile land, which is mostly eligible to cultivate agricultural plants, etc. It has two largest tributaries. One is Bhima and another one is Tungabhadra. These are the major two tributaries of Krishna. A dam was built on the river Krishna, that is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. That is, two dams, Srisailam and Nagarjuna Sagar, are constructed across the river Krishna. Almost our Andhra Pradesh is depending on Nagarjuna Sagar and Srisailam dams. Now let us see another river. Narmada River. It is also known as Reva because it is the holy river in the Hinduism. Because of the slow flow of the river. We know that peninsular rivers are two types. West to east flowing rivers and east to west flowing rivers. Almost many of the rivers flow from west to east because the altitude of this land is slightly bent and very few two or three flow from east to west. Uh, Narmada and Tapi are the rivers which flow from east to west. The Narmada starts from the Gulf of Kanbat and ends at Arabian Sea. And Narmada has a name that it is the oldest river in India. It is the largest river which contains no deltas. This Narmada river does not contain no deltas. And it is the river which contains 30 dams built on this river contains 30 dams. Let us see Tapi river. Tapi river. The Tapi river is also known as Tapati river. The word Tapti is Sanskrit name given to the river. The Tapi river consists of many tributaries and in those tributaries the major tributaries are Purna river, Panjara river, Girna river, etc. are the major tributaries of Tapi river. A dam was constructed across the river Tapati, that is nothing but Ukai Dam. This is the second largest reservoir in Gujarat after Sardar Sarovar. It is also known as Vallabh Sagar. Let us see the next river, that is nothing but Mahanadi. Mahanadi. Coming to Mahanadi. The word Mahanadi is a Sanskrit word. Maha means great and Nadi means river. So we can call Mahanadi as Great River. And this Mahanadi river rises at Chhattisgarh and it flows through Odisha and passes through Odisha and ends at Bay of Bengal. This Mahanadi river is also called as Sorrow of Orissa because this due to this Mahanadi river, some extreme floods was caused to Orissa, and this Mahanadi river was one of the major rivers in India. There are nearly seven dams, and the main dam in this Mahanadi is Hirakud Dam. And this Hirakud Dam is the world's longest dam which was constructed on Mahanadi. Now let us see the another river which was named as Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. The source of Brahmaputra, the Brahmaputra originates from the Himalayas, and the source of this river is glaciers of Himalayas. This Brahmaputra contains number of tributaries in Tibet. This originates from highland ranges of Himalayas. This river is also called as Red River or Bleeding River. There are different names for this Brahmaputra. In China, this is called Sangpo, and in Arabian Sea, it is called as Meghna. And in Arunachal Pradesh, it is called as Sian. And in Assam, this is just called as Brahmaputra. We can see different names for this Brahmaputra. This Brahmaputra passes through China, and this Brahmaputra enters the Arunachal Pradesh. The Arunachal Pradesh is the first state where Brahmaputra enters in India. Let us see the other river.